Acting Chancellor, I have the honor to present for the degree of Bachelor of Social Sciences.
Amahle Kasela.
Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisa Bay Entertainment. Guys, I want to scream, I want to sing, I want to dance on behalf of Amahle Biyela. Guys, nonke, I feel like niyayazi how much I love Izingane Zesithembu and following them around just to check into what are they doing. Nje, I am just that monitoring spirit empilweni zabo, and whenever they do well, guys, ndiyabuya ndizonibalesela as nani ke nibona Amahle Gasela, Amahle Biyela. I don't know why she's got so many different names on all different social media platforms, but uyawa graduate, guys, and she now holds a Bachelor of Social Sciences or graduate UKZN. Now, guys, one thing and then I border before I say congratulations. Kukhona ke apho u-anti wakhe ebemoluleka, telling her that she's proud of her and that umama wakhe where she is currently in heaven, most definitely ukhona naye. Nje ungumntwana obeziphethe kakuhle. She's wishing her nothing but the best, even nasemndenini wakhe. Xa ndisithi ntla, hayibo, ifowuni Amahle kukhona a baby on the screen, and everyone is just like ana ngumntana kaMpumelelo Mseleku lona, most definitely. And the baby literally looks like uNzulu and is also a photocopy of Singabakho. Ndiyalibala igama la Singabakho. So yeah, guys, a huge massive congratulations for her. Izinto zakhe zihamba kakuhle. We hope nothing but the best for her for future endeavors, guys. So yeah, ke nazo indaba endiniphathele zona during this hour. Do let me know what your thoughts are. Bafethu down on the comments, and ngizonibona shortly. Bye, guys.